All right, I believe this would be part 4. It's been a while since I've given an update, mainly because the greenhouse episode took a lot of my time. I put a ton of editing into that, so if you have not seen it yet, highly recommend it. Oh yeah, this is my son's hockey stick. So yeah, if you're a parent and you have a kid around 3 years old, um, we let him play with this hockey stick, of course, but we have to also take it from him because he whacks not just the puck, but things like the dog, my head, the walls. He's a great kid. The funny thing is, hockey is not popular in Oregon whatsoever. In fact, I think we were ranked 48th for popularity. ESPN had some sort of ranking a couple years ago, and we were behind states like Alabama, Georgia. Yeah, hockey's just not popular here in Oregon, but it's still fun to watch. All right, let's check this out. The Canary Island date palms, I will say, are doing very well. There's a party in here, I believe, going on. Yes, there is. That guy in the back I have to deal with here soon. He's making trails all over the place. You can't see him entirely, but he definitely is all over the back part of this bag. And in front here, we have some activity also. So the Canary Island date palms have done extremely well germinating, I will say. In fact, I had to put a couple of them in these cups before this video just because. Let's check this guy right here. Let's see how he is doing. So I like using the clear cups because you can tell about the root system and seeing how well it has expanded or gone. Oh, look at that right there. You can't see it very well with the zoom, but the root has hit the bottom of the cup, which is good. That means that when I put these in and repotted them, transplanted, I meant to say, that it kept on doing its thing. So that's good. Anything from here? No, I don't believe so. And then there's 2 more in the back there that I won't take out. But anyway, yeah, I think almost 4 or 5 are left in here, and then this is done. Impressive. The Canary Island date palm, Phoenix canariensis. We saw the other Phoenix family. They're all kind of budged in here. They're all sharing the heat. Of course, we have the Butillas down here, along with the Mexican blue palm also is in there. The sable right here. This one also is doing well. This one began to germinate. Let's open up the bag here and check it out. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. And by the way, these were quality seeds. Palmseedlings.com, quality seeds. Honestly, I'm not saying that just to say it. Very high quality seeds, because pretty much all of them have germinated on schedule or better. Actually, all of them have been better. Livistona, nothing out of here, although I do see a couple of them ready to come out. There's a little bit of a that white cream color coming out of the seed. If I can open this bag up, I'm struggling here. I'm not left-handed. Some of you are, I'm jealous. Yeah, nothing in there yet, but that's fine. Again, we're still way ahead of schedule. Up here are the other Novas. These guys are basically just have been into winter hibernating. Whatever, I guess. We'll wait and see what happens. Well, after 17 straight days of sun, the rain and wind finally came in, and this guy did not like it. And this is exactly why we cannot have nice things. Boy, that did a pretty good tumble. It was tired of filming. It needed a vacation. It was over it. It was over it. It was done. It was over it. Oh boy. It's angry again. So it was very upset, and I get it, but it needs to get over it. Maybe I need to talk to it, have a sit down. It's upset. It's very upset. Clearly, it's upset. It was a long filming session. It was a lot of hard work and a lot of time and energy, and I get all that. But it's not how you act. It's not how you respond to that situation. I think I just need to talk, instead of having talk it through. That's where we're at. So these guys, we got to get them out of here. They have overstayed their welcome. Especially the one in the back. If I can get a closer shot there. Yeah. And they really push through with their root, as you can tell. And they go deep. So that's why you don't want to wait too long to get these out. But obviously still allow them to grow. It's a happy medium, really. Okay, so I got my hole that the long root is going to go in. See? And we'll just gently take this. Check that out. That is just wild. These things really just push out. So I'll put it in nice and gentle. Something like that. You're gonna cover it with dirt, give it some water, of course, and put it back up here with the rest of its friends and let the heat continue to let it evolve, because that's just how it's gonna really kickstart it, even continue the growth. And it's fine to let the seed be a little bit exposed above the surface, just so you know where it's at. And also, this is how it's done in nature, so it's not too irregular of a practice. All right, we'll put some water on it, and we'll put it up with the rest of the friends. All right, we have the next one here. This one's not as crazy. Just put it in its hole. Okay, let's get the next one. And one little side note, by the way, is a lot of the seeds were at least only half exposed below the soil or completely above the soil. I don't believe any of them were fully under. So that method has worked pretty well for me. As long as they're in this nice little bag environment and they're getting enough moisture and they have enough soil in there, you really can't fail. And of course, heat. That's another one, of course. That's an important one, especially with these guys. So just food for thought. Okay, let's do this. Put them on in. And there we go. There's the last one. Even though this one is not as far along as the others, it's fine. I want to just get this bag cleared out and call this a day on the Canary Island date palms in the baggy method. And they're all going to be now in cups. And there we go. Not too bad. 11 out of 11. I like those odds.